Hi, I'm Julia, and today we are going to learn how to upload people data in EDO Next. Our People page feature helps you easily flow class portraits onto pages using data from your photo index, making it a simple process for creating your yearbook. For this process to run smoothly, we must upload the data correctly. First, make sure all of your zip file folders are extracted to access your photo files. Select the folder and select Extract All, or right-click to unzip on a Mac. Next, go to the Manage tab and select Manage People Data. This will direct you to the People Data page. Select the blue button at the top to access the Upload Photo and Index section. Please note that photo files must be in JPG or PNG format, and your index must be in TXT, CSV, or Excel format for it to be readable in our system. Next, use the drop-down to select the photo category labeled People Page Photos. If you upload them to another category, you will not be able to connect them to the index or flow your classes in your yearbook. Also, be mindful of special characters in your file names to make sure your files upload properly. Select the Browse button to search for your photo and index files. Upload all classes and staff portraits in any order, as the index will serve as our guide. When you upload your index, it will display the default setting for columns. Adjust these columns to make sure all categories match under name, photo file, teacher, and grade. This will help the images connect to the data and organize them into categories. Once you have verified your index, click the Confirm button. If your images do not appear automatically, you can select the Match Photos button to connect them to the correct index. If you see your photos appear, then your data has been uploaded correctly. You can find individual sections in the drop-down menu at the top of your photos. And that is how to upload people data. Thank you for choosing EDO Next for your yearbook designer software.